Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to my last video for June 2025. I hope you'll stick around to see what came in my P.O. box and to find out who my special guest is. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by for a little Show Us Your SheetLoad / Happy Mail video. This is when we take a look at all of the cards that have came in my P.O. box for the month. Sometimes these are SheetLoad examples, other times they're cards just because. But all of the time, I love them. If you're ever interested in sending me a card, my P.O. box address is down toward the bottom of the description box below. Also down there, I have a link to the updated Show Us Your SheetLoad guidelines video, and you can share your cards on social media, you can share them in the designated albums on my Facebook group, or you can send it in for this end of the month video. I always love to see what you're creating with SheetLoad of cards. Before I open these up, I do just want to take a second and recognize the cutest sticker, one of the cutest stickers I have ever seen here on this envelope. A unicorn, and it's a corn cob. I love that. This card is from Rebecca HH. So Rebecca, I have to know, where did you get these stickers? You can let me know down in that comment section below or shoot me an email. My email address is always down in the description box. All right, I want to take a break from your regularly scheduled video to let you know I was a little impatient in finding out where that adorable sticker came from. So I did some searching over on Creative Fabrica, and you guys, I found the image. So if you love it too and you have the ability to make your own stickers, I will have this image linked in the description box below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in these envelopes. Up first is the card that Rebecca from California sent me. It is a gorgeous floral card with a very kind and inspiring note on the inside. And I have to know, Rebecca, is that background ink smushed and splattered? Alma D of Canada sent me this card, which features a coffee theme and the May 2025 SheetLoad of cards. I love those fun papers and how she has popped up that focal point. As soon as I opened this card from Patricia D of Texas, I almost wondered if her and Alma from Canada got together. She has also used the May 2025 SheetLoad of cards, and I think they might have used the same coffee-themed collection. So fun. All right, for this next envelope, like I teased earlier, I have a special guest. This is an envelope that Carmen, who is Choose Joy with Carmen here on YouTube, sent to my daughter Presley. So she's going to be joining us here in just a minute to open this. Before we get to that, if you enter to win the prizes from my 9th YouTube anniversary live stream, which Presley joined me for, and we did a little mystery product color cube live event, make sure to check out the video from the other day because I have announced the winners and there is a limited time to claim that. Now, if you have not yet watched the replay of that live stream, I will have that link down below as well. It was a super fun time. Presley's card turned out so cute, so I know you're going to want to see it. But without further ado, Presley's here.
Hey!
All right, so Presley, Carmen sent you this card. It's kind of special. I think she made it for the last episode we were on for Craft Roulette, so the mother-daughter. I think she said that she followed those parameters. Which, speaking of that, if you haven't seen Presley and I in the mother-daughter Craft Roulette, I will link that video down below as well.
Yep. I'm trying to do it too.
Yeah, right down there. All right, Presley, I'm going to open them.
All right. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Aw, this is cute. Is it like, it looks like a little like record.
It's supposed to be a
oh
record.
my gosh, it's so cute. I do like it. I like the little like gold splatters here too. Is that heat embossing probably?
That might be foiling on the pattern paper.
You know, I love a good foiling.
I know.
This is very cute. Thank you, Carmen.
Well, make sure if you're enjoying this video and you enjoyed my special guest to give this video a thumbs up. All right, thanks, Presley. While there might have been less mail in my P.O. box this month, I think it was still chock full of creativity and awesome cards. Thank you so much to everyone who took the time to send one in. I thought it was pretty fun how the two May examples both had a coffee theme, and that card from Carmen with the little vinyl record, chef's kiss. Thank you so much for all of the cards, and until tomorrow when I will be back with the new sheet load of cards for July 2025, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.